Matrix watch. This is Sir P. Now, as the saying goes, sorry for Marga dog, them turn on gone on foreign TV gonna shame you. Or something like that. Anyway, just yesterday, did the story talking about the boatload of people where, turned up on the shores of Florida. Some Jamaicans were amongst the mix. One of them stand out. One of them decides he might go end up take the mic, go up on TV and share him sad story. That individual was saying that, the reason why I tell you Jamaica is because of all the crime and nothing now go on. Well, guess who it is? Guess who so beer face? Guess who so dry eye? 51-year-old Dean Cook, aka Booby from Dunkirk. A man who, at one point, I don't know about now, right, and this is the last I heard, was one of Jamaica's most wanted man. Remember in the video, I said, when you see people that take themselves on boat like that, one of the main people who do this, a wanted man, will turn out, Booby, Ghana foreign, dip on the people in good TV station, and make people feel sorry for him. Booby, you're gone too far now. You mean to tell me, say, you want to tell people about nothing now go on, crime, when are you there help do the crime? See, what I'm should have said is, me help mash up the country and know me and take up myself. That's what he should have said. We already know what now gonna happen. Because everybody have a sad story. Everybody is a victim. Even the people who cause the problem. I can't believe somebody can so dry eye. See, as soon as I drop the video, people start linking me. Send me a nationwide article and put it on your screen. See? 51-year-old Dean Cook. 51 and a big man. Now, you see, the age thing, that is one of the reasons why enough people feel sorry for him. Because normally, men who are that age are still in the streets. Well, somewhere, somehow, Booby is still around. Well, I know how he would actually get put off for a decent time. Right? And then he touch back the road. And as usual, as soon as he touch back the road, back to the foolishness. So, it's enough for them all time 87 years. Jailhouse actually help save them life. Because, them take a little time off from the streets, the body can't get to them. Then, when them touch back a road, enough of them enemies them gone, and then pick up where them left off. Booby actually even quote-unquote run off ends. I mean, he wasn't no big Dan like no Dodo son or Zeke's, but yeah, Booby like run off ends. And gone pan the people them good TV station. I talk about nothing now going on in Jamaica. Talk about crime and violence in Jamaica. The sheer audacity. As Stephen A. Smith said, the unmitigated gall. I know me can't believe somebody can try here, so. Booby ain't on the shame. Send him back Uncle Sam. Cause JSF probably look for him same way. See, when time Booby end up on the list, it was 4 names. And 2 of them and them, they end up turning in themselves. But Booby decides them not turning in himself. This is when the list is put up, by the way. I can't believe it all now. You see, some people hide them face, Some people hide them face because they don't know you got already, but no one be seen. Right, they get catch up on a boat. But Booby actually gone and talk on the people them. Good microphone. But foreign TV. So when things say foreign people alone watch it. No man, send him back Uncle Sam. Then again, you know what? Can Uncle Sam keep him? Keep him, Uncle Sam. Take that back. Keep it because, JSF and because of Jamaican laws and everything, they have a hard time holding on to people like Booby. So you know what? Actually, Uncle Sam keep him. Nobody send him back because if he touch back a yard and you don't know it already. No, when it's not go, nobody from Dunkirk not go really care no statement or give no police but Bobby, so he might touch by the road. So go and hold on upon him there. Right. We the Jamaican government will I'm sure you can sort out a deal with the government way. You know, you hold on upon him, keep him in a behind a US bar, and then Jamaica would provide, we can send some bulla, some cheese or something, give him every other day. Right, so hey, might have to look into one of them deals, Jamaican government might have to say, you know what? Any 87 who hold on phone side, who no response for the accommodation, and we responsible for, we can send across something mackerel every now and then. Plus there are a human rights group, so I'm sure they can help contribute to the fund too. After all, we barely have any space in Jamaican jails, right? So maybe we can work something out. I want to realize what go on. This man became the face of the struggle in Jamaica. This man became the face of quote-unquote nothing not go on in Jamaica. The world hear this man talk and say, boy, look at this elderly gentleman, because, he's 51 years old, he reached what you call big man age. People look upon him and say, boy, look how this big man of here risk him life on boat. Why? Look real bad. Bad PR, as I say. If only the world know who Bobby really is. See, that's why every time I see them things, me always have to say, what, make us so I go on, because you become on TV and them pour them heart and them tell them sad story, and the next thing you hear them file drop. And just like that, Bobby went from the face of the struggle to the face of facility. Nobody sending back Uncle Sam. Hold on upon him, man. Keep him. A matter of fact, I'm sure you can probably find some because one thing with Uncle Sam jail cell them, you go in there, you have no skill when you come back out, you turn technician. Enough yard man go Uncle Sam jail cell and come back more qualified than people go you and you taking them. Man go jailhouse and the next thing you know, then get GED, then you get bachelors and you get skill and all kind of things. So it's not that bad. People say, oh, you have to say that. But I look on it from the practical point of view. If me go somewhere, right, I'm not a skill, I'm not a trade, and within 5-10 years, next thing me get 3 certificates. Right? 1 skill and 1 trade, touch back the road. Next thing you know, I'm more employable. After I do my sentence, not a bad deal. So hold on for the Uncle Sam. I can't believe it. What a piece of bare face. What a piece of dry eye. But it all makes sense. As I say, this take yourself on boat thing, are people were hot. Most people do it. Are people were hot. Right? As in, police after them or other 87s after them. Because as I said, the risk is great. The risk have to be so great that you tell yourself, say, you know what? Even if I end up lose my life on the sea, I end up lose it anyway. Or I'm going to lose my freedom anyway. So might as well take the chance. So I'm really surprised about the fact that he's a wanted man. I'm surprised about the fact that this brother I give full on interview. Bright and feisty. Only trying, law-abiding, hard-working Jamaicans have the right to go up on foreign TV, go talk about nothing now going on Jamaica and crime and violence. Them alone. The people who are actually carrying out the crime and violence, the people who are actually inflicting the damage upon the society, them can't complain about nothing. Right. That's madness. That come like say me a sound man and me a play my sound late night, I wake up everybody, right? And then when CVM come around, me jump in front of the camera. Boy, me I tell you the whole pan nice night time. I can't deal with it, yeah, man. I can't deal with it. So I say, because the nights people want to sleep in time and me a sound man. Right? And I just don't play my dance and just me collect my money. But through me so on camera now, all of a sudden, right, me start complaining. Boy, me I tell you the nights at night time people can't even sleep. No, that doesn't make no sense. Right? Then I say it work. You done profit off of your badness, right? Get where you have to get, take how much life where you want to take, right? And now because, probably him up in the age now, him feel like say, can't bother this year, man. So I'm just gonna retire. No. You see there? I know say, you see the other people in on the boat? The other 15 people on the boat, a Bobby fault were on the crash. You see the crosses were follow Bobby? That the boat they couldn't make it. So when you just salt, so you end up on the same boat or the same boat with somebody like Bobby, because you see that's how life work. People think they can do what they want to do. And then them are gonna just escape now and start over. Nope. Here comes the crosses that follow back of you. Anywhere you go. Right, so when you blame Bobby, the brother from England went up on the boat, blame Bobby. This a man from Romania, blame Bobby. A theme crosses, a theme saltness, a theme acidity. Right, all them things there, and that made the boat end up crash. That's how you go. Play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Anyway, I'm like this one for now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.